Turnover of this startup is more than 100 crores. But what's more fascinating is this company is backed by none other than our Captain Cool MS Dhoni. This is the story of eMotorrad, and it's not just making e-cycles, they are creating a revolution. I'm also a big fan of Dhoni just like you, and I was super excited to research on this startup when I found out that MS Dhoni has invested in this company. So what's special about eMotorrad? Captain Cool thought of investing. Plus, we are going to learn 4 important business lessons that made eMotorrad successful. So, hi guys, this is me, Finance by Samaga, and welcome back to our channel. And let's get straight to the latest news. eMotorrad is setting up a new electric cycle gigafactory spanning 240,000 square feet in the first phase, and this factory is more than just a manufacturing hub. It's a huge step towards e-cycles. With an ambition goal of producing over 5 lakh e-cycles annually, eMotorrad is ensuring India becomes the global leader in micromobility. And with MS Dhoni on board, the company's vision has gained both credibility and a powerful platform. So, what do we learn from this? Here we understand the importance of vision and ambition. eMotorrad didn't just want to enter the EV market, they aimed to revolutionize it. In business, having a clear and compelling vision can inspire your team, attract investors. Ambition is the fuel that drives growth, and eMotorrad journey is the perfect example. When MS Dhoni, one of the most India's iconic sport figure, backed your vision, it's more than just an investment. Dhoni's involvement has not only added the credibility but has brought an immense value to eMotorrad's brand. See, we all know how cool Dhoni is, and if he is investing in a company, we should definitely assume that kuch to dum hai is company mein. The second lesson is about value and strategic partnerships. In business, the right partnership can accelerate growth, open new doors, and provide essential credibility. This is the power of strategic partnerships. Whether it's an investor, a co-founder, or a brand ambassador, their vision should align with the vision of founders. eMotorrad understood this, and Dhoni's association is a testament to the power of strategic partnerships. But eMotorrad's success isn't just about scaling, it's about innovation too. By focusing on in-house productions of critical components like batteries, motors, chargers, eMotorrad ensures top-notch quality and cost control. But they didn't stop there. They have integrated advanced Gen 2 platform and innovative features like calorie tracking, detection testing, and geofencing into their e-bikes. The global e-bike market is booming, and eMotorrad has strategically placed itself by differentiating their products with cutting-edge technology and a focus on user experience. They have created a brand that stands out in a crowd. The third business lesson is about the importance of innovation and differentiation. In a competitive market, it's not just enough to have a good product. You innovate continuously and find ways to differentiate yourself from the competition. eMotorrad's integration of technology into their e-cycles and their commitment to in-house manufacturing demonstrates how innovation can set you apart and drive success. But if you think eMotorrad's journey was smooth without any challenges, then you are wrong. From starting a new business to competing with established players like China, they have faced numerous problems. But in just 4 years, they have become India's largest exporters of e-bikes with a presence in over 8 countries. They have secured a 164 crore Series B funding, which has strategically been used to expand their manufacturing abilities and boost their R&D. This wasn't just about growth, it was about scaling smartly and sustainably. Now see, growth is essential, but it needs to be sustainable. eMotorrad's approach of using their funds wisely and focusing on their core strengths shows how business can be scaled to ensure long-term success. Overcoming challenges is part of any entrepreneurial journey, but with the right strategy, those challenges can be transformed into opportunities. eMotorrad's story is more than just a business success. It's a blueprint how you can build and grow sustainably. From the power of vision and ambition to the importance of innovation, strategic partnerships, and sustainable scaling, the lessons from eMotorrad journey are invaluable for any entrepreneur. As eMotorrad gears up to revolutionize electric mobility space, the question isn't if they'll succeed, but it's how far they will go. Stay tuned for more such insights on building and scaling your startup. Until next time, keep innovating and keep growing. This is me, Finance Buswag, signing off. Thank you so much.